Welcome loves to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, we're going to be recreating Miss Rihanna's makeup look. Stay tuned, we're getting started. And I'm going to look like that. Hopefully at the end. Primer, as always. Mine is from Wet n Wild, but you can use NYX eye primer. It's totally fine. Or any other primer, like whatever you'd like. I love this look because it's easy. It's beautiful. Iconic. We're getting started with maybe a little bit of St.Tropez eyeshadow palette, and I need some soft color like sand. Does it look like sand? No, it doesn't, but it's called sand. I'm going with a fluffy brush all over my lid, and now I need to recreate the exact same color. And I was searching through probably like 20 of my eyeshadow palettes, and none of them have the exact same color. So I'm stuck with this palette because it's really powdery, it has so much fallout, it's really beautiful. That is the main reason why we're mixing two different colors. This Marina and this Super Yacht. Who came up with this name? I don't really know. But let's mix a little bit of this first over my oh, gorgeous. You have to stop like where your crease starts or ends, whatever you prefer. I'm gonna use a little bit of this color with a wet finger. Messy, probably, but beautiful, definitely. Now I need a flat brush, a little bit more of the same Marina color, and I'm going over to mix these two colors together. NYX. Just like that. Oh. And I'm going over. Yeah, now we're talking, guys. This makeup can be done with just fingers. Let's use a little bit of the fluffy brush once again, just a little bit. And boom, you're done. I'm in black eyeliner and black pencil because the lower part is super smoky, but you can definitely see this is an eye pencil, not an eyeliner. I'm gonna get started from the bottom because bottom part is crucial. It's gonna create a guideline for the top. Basically, you have to go over the waterline, follow your shape, and then add a little bit more in the inner corner with the same color. Time to use your black liner. We have to create a thick, bold, crazy Rihanna style eyeliner. This is a guideline, and I'm gonna just put this up. Fill in any leftovers, or maybe just one dip in both colors. Tap off, get on. Mascara, and we're almost done. And by the way, no falsies, but you can definitely go with falsies. I don't really like falsies, obviously. Boom, boom, bada, boom. Okay, so warm brown lip pencil around the lip contour, adding on the sides, topping with a lip gloss. And this is my version of Rihanna's makeup look. Okay, my loves, I think this is it for today. I love you all so much. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.